have one more video. We need to do the stickers. Stickers. Can I show the stickers? This is the reindeer that I got. And this is some of the Lego pieces. And here's the instructions. And there's much more Legos than the others. And let's see, what else do we have? One more thing. It's like the sled that you make, kind of. And no more. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to put some pink on it. And the reindeer should be with a carrot. And it was to be just like a little thing, like a thing that you like put on it. Like this one. And I have one more that like have stickers and stuff, like a little circle guitar and signs and for the back of the horse and like other things that go in the sled and all of that, okay?